Once revolutionary, today a classic. The folding chair was designed by Danish furniture architect Mogens Koch in 1932 and is still in production. Based on a simple collapsing method, the folding chair adds understated dignity to any room. The folding process is exceptionally smooth, thanks to the mounted brass rings on all four legs. Every detail has been thought through, like the beautiful brass fittings on all frames, adding to the chair's charm. It has the form of a director's chair, light, practical, and comfortable. The folding chair is available in oil-treated beech and mahogany, with the seat and back in either canvas or leather. Fold it, move it, or lift it. The folding chair is easily stowed. The Mogens Koch folding chair, recognized globally for its beauty and appreciated every day for its flexibility and comfort.